Hey everybody, Jim Garrett, Harman Quick Audio. We're at CEDIA 2025. We're doing the North American debut of 3 new products from the Arcam Radia series. So the first phase, integrated amplifiers, have been updated. We're calling them Plus models. So we've got the A5 Plus, the A15 Plus, and the A25 Plus. We've added some performance to them in the shape of updated power supplies, new output technologies that we're using in the amplifiers to tweak and increase the performance of them. This is our invisible loudspeaker technology, and we paired it up with Samsung's The Frame television, so you can show it can have a really high performance surround system, all this high performance video, and have it be completely invisible in your room. So with the Frame televisions, you can put them into art mode, so when you're not watching any content, it looks like a frame picture hanging on the wall. And then with our conceal loudspeakers, they get put into the wall just like a drywall patch. So they're completely invisible. You can paint over the top of them. We actually have a 5.1 surround system that's on display here in this demonstration area with left, center, right, some subwoofers and a pair of side surrounds in it. So we are standing in front of the JBL Stage 2 and MA series products. These have been available on the market for a little while now. It was a fresh approach to a mature category where we wanted to bring some excitement into the space, certainly with the new industrial design and the white finish that's available on the AVRs and the loudspeakers. We have our matching Stage 2 in-wall and in-ceiling products, so you can mix and match with the box products in the room and then have, let's say, the height channels be in ceiling or maybe your surround speakers be in the wall. All right, so JBL Synthesis is our flagship custom cinema products that we have. I like to refer to them as custom tailored suits because we go in and optimize every system to the specific room and the specific client's needs. Out here, we're showing some of the electronics that we have in the range. The SDR38 AVR, SDP58, the newer version of the processor. These are the new SMA amplifiers that were just launched. So these are high power amplifiers available in 8-channel and 4-channel configurations. They have very powerful DSP built into them. We have all of the connectivity and features that we need for high performance residential audio, and those become the perfect companions to not only this processor, but our flagship SDP80, which was recently announced. It's our 36-channel surround processor. If you get the chance, go to one of our custom integrators where we have certified systems and get your chance give yourself the chance to experience one of these JBL Synthesis systems for yourself.